everyone, and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this video for the DeLonghi dynamic plus espresso machine. Now for this machine, we did a tune-up, which means we did clean everything inside. This machine was brought here because it was moldy and we had a bunch of coffee inside the machine itself. Not on this side, but the other side of the unit. This is the older unit of the machine. Right, with some pictures over here. As you can see, this inside is the door of the machine. That was the same brew unit. There was a lot of mold everywhere inside this machine, everywhere. So we cleaned that up. We lubricated the transmission. We replaced the O-ring of the mechanical valve, as well as the cleaned it and put it back together. So yeah, that's what we did with this espresso machine. We also descale it and give it a little clean around it. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're going to be testing it out. Then we're going to be using this hot water. We will not be able to use any cappuccino or anything like that, as we do not have the carafe of this machine. Nice steady flow coming out of the machine. Only 1 shot of espresso, 1 ounce, good crema, good shot of espresso. Now we're going to be testing now the hot water. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent temperature. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Dynamic Plus working once again. Thank you so much for replaying Kanen Coffee. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like and hit that